To Troubleshoot Monday.com columns. Start by identifying the issue you are experiencing, whether it is a formatting problem, a data error, or a visibility issue. First, check the column settings to ensure that the data type is correct and that the formatting options are set as desired. For example, if you are using a date column, make sure the format is set to the correct date format. Next, review the data in the column to ensure it is accurate and complete. Check for any errors or inconsistencies, and make any necessary corrections. If the issue is with the column's visibility, check the column settings to ensure that it is not hidden or restricted to certain users or groups. Another common issue is with column formulas. So if you are using a formula-driven column, check the formula to ensure it is correct and that the referenced columns are correct. It is also important to check the integrations and automations connected to the column, as they can sometimes cause issues. To prevent issues with Monday.com columns, it is a good practice to regularly review and maintain your board's structure and data, and to test new columns and formulas before implementing them. Additionally, consider using Monday.com's built-in validation and error handling features to help catch and prevent errors. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot and maintain your Monday.com columns, and ensure that your workflow is running smoothly and efficiently. Regular maintenance and troubleshooting can help prevent issues and ensure that your team is working with accurate and reliable data. It is also recommended to consult Monday.com's documentation and support resources if you need additional help or guidance on troubleshooting columns. By taking the time to understand and troubleshoot your Monday.com columns, you can get the most out of the platform and achieve your team's goals. Remember to stay organized, test regularly, and take advantage of Monday.com's features to keep your workflow running smoothly.